these bolts out. I thought it was a 1/4, but it's smaller than a 1/4. Alright, oh boy. See, they had a whole bunch of stuff on this car that just shouldn't have been on here. But let me come in and get all of this off of here. Alright, so it is 1/4. Alright, wasn't looking right. Put the wrong thing on there. But, alright, let me come in and get these off. Wow. See, it's just different size screws on here, guys. I don't know what they was doing. So, let me see if this will come off. Am I gonna have to heat this up? Okay, this one came off. The one in here I had to heat up. So this one is coming out of here. Alright guys, so I don't have no time to play with this. So I'm going to just cut the head off of here. And then I'll be able to come in and get the rest of that out here later. Alright, so now that I got those screws out of there, this should pull out of here now. Okay. I didn't want to film taking those screws out because I couldn't get in there to show you what I was doing. Debo, come here. I need you to hold this right here.
What?
Hold this right here. Right here, and then I'm gonna go on the other side. You gonna help me? So that's my little grandson, little Debo.
What up, all things Billy?
All right, so since he was walking by, I'm gonna have him. Uh-oh, I see something else. Hold it right there. Just hold that right there. Little thing. All right. Let's see. How did this come off?
There.
It just pulls off?
Just like it.
Okay. Got a little spring action thing in there. Let me take that out because I don't want to lose it.
Ready?
All right. All right. Yes, sir. Just lay it there. Thank you, sir. Guys, I just want to show you here. I pulled a dash. A little rat nest, little mice nest. Not a big one, but man, you just never know where you're gonna find them at, guys. I'm telling you, they just be everywhere. But right there, I'm gonna screw the nuts back on there, but you got two on top that you have to pull off in order to get that dash off of there. Alright, so as you see there, you got one there, then you got one there, the nuts. This camera is not focusing like it used to, but it could be because it's dark in there, but man. So you got those two that's on there, and then you pull that dash out. Now all of this, guys, in here, I'm gonna re-dye. I'm gonna re-dye this, but all in there, guys, I'm gonna pour 15 all in here because this car sat outside way too long, and I'm gonna pour 15, get all this mice stuff out of here. I'll spray this down tonight, but I'm gonna pour 15 all inside of there, guys, and just seal this up really, really good. All right, guys, so with this dash pad, I just want to rinse this down, get this mice dropping stuff out of here. And I just want to rinse this down real quick. Then I want to flip it over. Alright, so I just wanted to spray that down, guys, and I will be, like I said, re-dyeing this one black, so